Hi nurses, welcome to Dr. APJ Nursing Academy, Trivandrum, Kerala. Today I am going to discussing about the vacancy details regarding Central Institute of Psychiatry. Central Institute of Psychiatry. There is a number of vacancy for the nursing officer came, and so today I am discussing more about how to apply for this vacancy and how many vacancies are there, what is the minimum qualification for applying for these vacancies, and how to fill up the form, how to submit the application. So these all are the details are included in these short videos. If you like this video, you should subscribe our channel for more updates and share your friends those who are applying for this psychiatry nursing officer vacancy. Before that, this is the website recruitment of Central Institute of Psychiatry recruitment websites. In this website, it is clearly mentioned the post of nursing officer. The post of nursing officer is clearly described. So we can move to the notifications details. So you can download the applications form from here. Here is the recruitment options are there. Here is the advertisement. Here you get the details regarding the advertisement. Okay, before it, I just one by one I will explain it in details. So first of all, I just remembering one thing. This is 100% Government of India. It is a permanent Government of India Central Institute of Psychiatry. It's a 100% central government job. Okay, so the applications last date. The last date of application is very important for note the point. 21/9/2021 is the last date for submitting these applications. Okay, so we can move how many nursing vacancies are there. So just see this is the vacancy details for nursing officer. This is the vacancy details for the nursing officer. Total 45 vacancy. Out of this, 20 for the UR, SC for 7, ST for 3, OBC for 11, and EWC for 4 vacancies are there. So disability have one more vacancy is reserved for disability. The pay scale is 7th pay scale. It means 44,900 to 1,42,400 is the basic pay for this post because it's a central government 7th pay scale. Okay, so the minimum qualifications for applying this post is for the BSc nursing, regular BSc nursing, or with registered as a nurse or midwife. Registered nurse or midwife. BSc is a regular or post basic is the basic qualification, or one more basic qualifications are there, that is the diploma. That is the diploma in general nursing and midwifery also eligible for to apply for this post. In that case, they have need for registered nurse and nurse midwife with the state nursing. Any of the state nursing council is the requirement, and plus 1 year experience, plus that experience minimum 50 bedded hospital. Okay, once again I just mentioning once again, you BSc with registration, post basic with registration, GNM with 1 year experience, Okay, now next for the age limit. 30 years for the general and EWC candidate. The 30 years for the general and 33 years for the OBC, 35 years for the SC/ST, and 40 years for physically handicapped, and 45 years for SC/ST physically handicapped, and 43 years for physically handicapped for OBC candidates. Okay, so the general age limit for this space acts same as the aims like that. It is around 30 years is the minimum age qualification for this post. Okay, I think clear. So next, so this another post are there. Next, selection. How the selection how the first thing is written examination. The written text will consist of only 50 multiple choice questions. 50 multiple choice questions only. It will be completed within 1 hour. 1 hour, 50 multiple choice MCQ questions are only the written. Next, then skill test. Skill test is only for the needlewoman, tailor, cook, only for the skill test. So there is a no skill test. There is no. Next, in nursing officer exam there is no skill test. That is the advantage, because only 50 mark question for just 1 hour only. Then the merit list, then the rank list will be released for the eligible candidates. Okay, so reservations candidates take appropriate OBC certificate or SC/ST certificate from the central government purpose. Similar to all exam, you should collect for these certificates and uploaded in the websites. So all the scanned copy and mark sheet, EWC certificates and testimonials should be uploaded along with the applications. Application form it to be submitted through online only. That is the important point. The application form is to be submitted electronic form only. So this is the website for the recruitment of nursing officer in Central Institute of Psychiatry, Jharkhand State. Then there is a examination fees for there. There is an EWC unreserved OBC candidates all have a payment of 400 rupees and SC/ST candidates for 300 rupees for the payment for the application fee. Okay, application payment is just unreserved EWC OBC candidates is 400 rupees for the application fee and SC/ST candidates for 300 rupees for the application form. Next, the amount also you can pay by online in the Bank of Baroda, Kanke branch and Jharkhand. There is an option for paying online. Next, the account number, IFSC details and all are included in this notifications. Okay, then the admit card, covering letter or necessary instruction will be made in the covering letter to be downloaded and printed by the candidates brought to the examination. It means all the informations by online only. So the application sending by online, application payment by online, application certificates upload through online only for the mode. The selection is based on only for the written examination, 50 mark, 50 questions, 1 hour paper. Okay, next, the exam is through OMR sheet. You can write it on ball or blue ballpoint pens to write in the examination. Okay, for further details and uploads you get in the notification website. If you need this advertisement, you can click here and download the PDF for the notification. Also, I share to our WhatsApp group also sharing the full details regarding this recruitment. Next, once again I show the recruitment. There is a Central Institute of Psychiatry recruitment. There is a recruitment options are there. From the recruitment options, you have to how to upload your photos and documents. That all clearly mentioned in here. Here is the photo size. Size of the photo is 50 KB size with 250 into 300 pixel. Signature. Next one is signature. Signature also JPG format and picture format, and all the required documents in one single PDF file. It means first attach the 10th certificate, next plus 2 certificate, next all the mark list, next a degree certificate or GNM certificates, next experience, and last for the registration certificate. Next, if you have any reservation certificate, that should be attached with the one file. Make it PDF at a one file, and the size is less than 2 MB size, less than 2 MB size. Okay, that is the important details regarding the photo and documents. Here is the photo and signature is only for JPG size, and the documents online, your certificates, uploading certificates also in single PDF file, not to make it different format. Okay, next, once again, next the payment options. Next to the payment option, yes, examination fees, there is a, if you can NIFT, you can get a payment through online. After that, that's payment. The amount should be paid online in the Bank of Baroda branch. Account number, Central Institute of Psychiatry, account number and odds are all here. You can just online it through the applications. Okay, so how to register? Next step is how to register. There is an option for registering the applications. Oh, so we can just see how to register. So registration, there is a step for the registration. This is the steps for registration. First, post. Here you can select for nursing officer, enter your name of father, categories, and physically disabled, yes or no, date of birth. The date of birth, you count the last date of the application. Count the last date of applications, count the date base. Okay, then choose your date of birth. Here is the calendar, you may mark it in the calendar. Sex, nationality, mobile number, email address, and confirm your email. Then you will get a registration. After get a registration, you will get the login. You will get the login details. From the login details, you will get the login for the post nursing officer. You can log in here with your registered email and password. You just log in here and sign in it and submit the application. This is a very simple process. You can apply very easily without any help. You can do it on own. Okay, so the details regarding the Central Institute of Psychiatry recruitment for the nursing officer 142 posts. So we are planning to conducting the test series for this exams. We will be available in Dr. APJ Nursing Academy mobile application soon. Once the exam date is announced through the website, we will conducting and we will starting our model test series one by one. Okay, that's all regarding the recruitment process. If you have any doubts regarding the recruitment process, please mention it in our WhatsApp group or in the description box or in the comment box below. You just mention your any doubts regarding that recruitment process and application process, how to send in the application, any age criteria, whatever else, just mention here as a comment box in the video. Thank you for watching.